Hello everyone. Want to create your own music in just a few clicks? Today, I'll show you how to generate music using Software&Ai. No instruments, no experience needed. Step 1. First, head to Software&Ai's website. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see options for music generation. Step 2. Select the type of music you want, like pop, chill, electronic, or cinematic. Then choose the mood, for example happy, sad, or energetic. Software&Ai lets you customize the tempo, instruments, and length of your track. You can even add vocals or effects if you want something unique. Step 4. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Software&Ai will create your music automatically. You can preview it, tweak it, and regenerate until it's perfect. Step 5. Finally, download your track and use it in your projects, videos, or even as your own music release. That's it! Making music has never been easier. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tools in 2025.